What's the meaning of chamomile? Chamomile. Chamomile.
Chamomile. Chamomile. Chamomile is a common name for several daisy-like plants that belong to the Asteraceae family. The word chamomile is derived from the Greek words chamai, meaning on the ground, and melon, meaning apple, referring to the apple-like scent of the plant. Chamomile is known for its medicinal properties and has been used for centuries to treat various ailments such as anxiety, insomnia, and digestive issues. It is often consumed in the form of tea or used topically in creams and ointments. Chamomile is also known for its calming effects on the mind and body.